Hi friends, it's Mimi from Mimi Homestyle. Lately, I've been simplifying my life in small ways that are making a big difference. I'm not talking about a total overhaul, just easy little systems that bring more calm to my kitchen, closet, and everyday routine. So today, I'm going to walk you through how I'm streamlining my life at 60 with ideas that you can start today. So let's jump in. This is a done-for-you weekly or monthly meal plan system. I created a month's worth of rotating monthly meal plans with matching grocery lists. As I create my monthly menus and print my grocery lists for these plans, I keep them together so that I can reuse them. I rotate the plans and I keep them in a folder right inside my pantry. And this takes the guesswork out of what to make and helps me shop smarter. When life gets busy, I already have a plan. Next, I set up pantry zones that match the way that I cook. Instead of random shelves, I grouped everything into simple categories. This first shelf holds all the liquid things, juice, milk, broths, and then the next shelf is all my canned goods. The next shelf is condiments and dressings, and the last shelf is pasta, rice, and pasta sauces. And on the other side, the top is breakfast, then nuts and snacks, and the bottom two are for baking. Each group goes on a shelf, and now I can see what I have, what I need, and I can restock with ease. I started using a dry erase calendar right on the wall in my mudroom/laundry room. Appointments, birthdays, ideas for the weekend, I can see everything at a glance as I do laundry or I walk out the door each day. And I like that it's contained in here and I don't need a lot of paper to keep throwing away. I just add the month and the dates on here and what is going on for that month and during the week. And I also like that my husband can see it on his way out so he can see what's going on each day. It's so much easier than digging through apps and printing up calendars or looking in a binder or a planner. This is my drop zone at the door. I created a drop zone right by the door where my laundry room and my mudroom connect to the garage. And I have hooks for our coats, our purses. I have a basket for my extra small purses when I need them. And in the drawers on the bottom, I store boots and swimming shoes. My husband has a basket for his baseball caps, and I have a basket for winter type gear like hats and gloves. On the wall, I have a place to hang our keys, put mail that needs to be sorted, and I have a magnetic board to hang notes. My room also has a garbage can, so when I grab the mail, I can throw away the junk mail immediately. No more setting things down all over the house. I know now exactly where everything is. Next up has been a game changer for me. I have a 3-zone cleaning routine. I divided my home into 3 zones: kitchen and living, bedrooms, and bathrooms. And I clean just 1 zone per day. And this simple routine keeps everything manageable without a full day of a deep clean. I'll dust and maybe wash the floor in my kitchen, wash blankets and dust in the living areas on one day. Day 2 is all the bedding, and day 3 is my bathrooms upstairs and downstairs. I do this every other week if I can, unless we go on vacation or someone is coming to stay with us. Then I might clean before I leave or just before we have guests. But regularly, this works great. I'm no longer stressed or overworked doing these chores. Do you have a tomorrow's bag hook? I added a little hook near the door for my purse or bag, and it's one of the simplest things that's made my mornings smoother. Each night, I just prep what I need, look at where I'm going the next day, and hang the right bag here on this hook. I also keep everything I need to switch purses right on my mudroom bench, along with a few little baskets at the door. My bigger purse, the one you've seen me pack for the summer, sits right on the bench, ready to grab when I need the extra essentials. I'll link that video above in case you want to see how I put it together. And that's it, just one small habit that keeps me from scrambling in the morning or in the afternoon when I need to get out the door really quick. I have done this for a while now, closet zones. Instead of trying to follow wardrobe rules, I created closet zones. I grouped my tops on one rack, my pants and summer capris together, my sweaters and sweatshirts and sweat jackets on another rack, and I color code each rack so I can see all the colors like browns, blues, blacks, etc. And it makes getting dressed feel simple again. I turn hangers backward for everything in my closet, and when I wear something, I flip the hanger forward. After a month or two, I can see what I never reach for, and it makes letting go much easier. I do this for each season. My drawers have my lingerie essentials and pajamas, as well as socks, and way up above I have my seasonal clothes in boxes and labeled. If I buy something, then something has to go. And this way, I'm not buying more boxes or bins to hold extra clothes. So this last idea is something I've become really intentional about lately, especially as I start letting go of things I know my kids or family won't want. Like everything else, not all memories can or need to be held onto, and I have tons of photos, and most of them are now either in albums or saved to Google Photos. My kids know they can access them anytime, and I've even sent a few their way already. But there are also a few small sentimental items that I've chosen to keep. So I created one memory box per person. Each child has one labeled box filled with cards and photos and little treasures that I think they might want to hold on to for now. And sometimes I take pictures or videos of other items and send those instead after they've told me I can get rid of them. And that way they can have the memory without the clutter. And those souvenirs from my travels, they're out where I can see them and enjoy them. When I'm gone, they can be tossed, and that's perfectly okay. And right now, I just love seeing the reminders of where I've been and all the stories that come with them. I have always done this, even when my kids were young, a 5-minute evening tidy. So each evening I do a quick 5-minute tidy. I empty the dishwasher from the day. I wipe up all the counters. I replenish the fridge with our drinks. I make sure my husband has something for his lunch. I fill the water up for coffee for the next morning. I decide on my dinner for the next day, so I'll make sure I have all the things to start making that. You know, I put the pillows, I straighten those up. I might light a candle just for a little bit. It resets the whole house and my mood, so I'm ready for the next day. So those are the little systems helping me simplify my life at 60. It's not about doing it all perfectly, just doing what makes sense for the season that I'm in. And I'd love to know in the comments which idea felt just right for you. And if you enjoy cozy real life ideas like this, go ahead and hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell as well. And next time I'll be sharing some fun hostess gift ideas and a peek at my grab and go gift wrapping station, because it's always nice to have a little magic ready when life calls for it. So see you then, friends. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found some fun and budget-friendly ideas to bring into your home. A special shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. I post weekly with more home decor, party planning, and DIY goodness. Also, check out my shop at Grin and Print on Etsy. I've got some fun games, printables, and party supplies that I know you'll love. Thanks again for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video.